If you're in the market for a security system with remote keyless entry, stay tuned to this video to learn all about the Avital 3103L. So let's talk about what's in the box. We have our control module with an onboard impact sensor, two 4-button remotes with up to a 1/4 mile range, a 6-tone siren, programming button, LED indicator light, wiring harnesses, a quick reference guide for your installer, and an owner's quick reference card, which has a QR code on it to link you to the full owner's guide. Now let's talk about what this Avital 3103L can do for you. One main feature is a starter interrupt to help prevent theft. It also has a panic function or car locator. It will flash the parking lights. We have remote keyless entry, ignition controlled door locks, 2 auxiliary outputs, and a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. For more information or to find a professional installer near you, visit avital.com.